GoldieBots versus Ninjas.
Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and there's rough waters ahead. So let's boot up this bot battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is Abigail. She loves owls, and if she had to choose to be one animal, she'd be a golden retriever. She loves glitter and hair, so it's no surprise that she makes her own glitter hairspray. Today, we'll see her genius work of glitter, because she made a pirate bot that will sparkle ashore. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Hayden. Her favorite toy is a stuffed narwhal she won from school, and she loves watching Minecraft videos on YouTube. She's been training in the martial arts form Kenpo for 3 years, and she's already a double stripe black belt. Today, she's combined her favorite animal with her favorite sport to make a super awesome ninja fox bot. Let's meet today's robots. Introducing Abby Ship.
First of all, I want to say I love the ducks, bedazzled hats, adorable. I also love the disco balls hanging because you know they're gonna party, you know what I mean? What type of legs are those?
They used to be scrubbers, but I took off all the bristles and then they turned into legs.
That's amazing.
I have a special place in my heart for robots that are not just driving on wheels. What on your bot are you most proud of?
Probably the motor, because I love wobbling things. I love penguins and they wobble, so.
What kind of tools did you use to put your robot together?
Solder, hot glue. What do you call it? It goes into
The
things.
power drill?
Yes, thank
Did
you.
you have a lot of fun with that?
Yeah,
It's personally one of my favorite tools.
I just want to keep on drilling all day. It's so satisfying.
Well, now your parents know what to get you for Christmas.
So Abby, what is your backstory?
The captain and the bear were best friends, and they thought, oh my gosh, I just had a great idea. Let's make a party boat.
It's a beautiful robot.
Thanks.
Okay. Let's meet our next robot, NFRS.
You should be very proud of this build. I think it's awesome. Very colorful. Why did you choose to go with the ninja theme specifically?
I've always wanted to be a ninja at heart because, I love stealth. And so I thought it was really cool to go with ninja.
Oh my gosh, that squishy is so cute, and it's like a ninja fox, right? With the throwing star in the front, that is genius, because you could have just went with the basic car, but the fact that you added the throwing star just adds the whole intimidation effects. It looks so cool. I also see that the throwing star is on a motor. Does that turn on?
Yeah, it does.
Why is that so scary? It sounds like a chainsaw. Yeah, that's gonna definitely intimidate the competition.
Why did you name the robot what it is?
Because it's the Ninja Fox revenge system, and so he's decided to get revenge on the pirates for partying without him.
So I noticed that your robot is remote controlled. What is your strategies?
To just use the chainsaw to grip it and then just push it into the side.
What do you think that the Ninja Star will do when it makes contact with the legs on Abby's ship?
To destroy them.
It's time to start this party battle. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like Abby's ship is staying quite level. NFRES is trying to push him in. Oh my gosh! We're gonna reset. Oh my god! Go! Oh! It looks like it's not a party anymore without that disco balls. Party number 1 is fell off, so we lost party number 1. We lost party number 2. But will they prevail? Will NFRS do one final push? Oh! Oh my gosh! And our winner is Hayden with NFRS! And the Goldie Squad has 2 new awesome members. And Abigail, you get the honor of pouring the bucket of fun on Hayden. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below. Would you rather sail the sea with the duck pirates or go disco dancing with a ninja fox? See you guys next time. Bye!